Hey everybody, it's Phineas. I was talking to a couple of you guys in the comments. We were talking about this eggnog dip for Christmas. My sister sent this to me. She doesn't like eggnog, but she knows I do. I've never heard of this eggnog dip before. It seems pretty simple and pretty cheap. So I figured, well, let's make it and let's see how it comes out. It's going to be, here's what it says. This fluffy, sweet, creamy holiday dessert is perfect for holiday parties. Easy to make, festive Christmas appetizer you can serve with gingerbread and other holiday cookies. All right, let's try it. I figure at the end we'll dip like these little short. Look at these from Dollar General. I love these shortbread cookies. But let's try it. If you like eggnog, a lot of people don't like eggnog, which shocks me because I love eggnog. All right, so what you need, and I'll put the recipe down in the description. 1 package of cream cheese, softened. I already softened it in the microwave a little bit. Half a cup of eggnog. We got some eggnog here. Let's get a half a cup in there. Man, this eggnog's so good. All right, here's a half cup of eggnog. And then half tablespoon of nutmeg and half tablespoon of rum extract. I don't have any of that stuff, so we're going to compromise. So I'm going to use real rum instead of, why not? Real rum. And I don't have nutmeg, but I have vanilla. And vanilla's Christmassy, so we'll try a little bit of that. We'll substitute. Cause I don't like buying that kind of stuff because I'll never use it again. So I don't want to spend $5 on nutmeg, and I'll never use nutmeg again. So I'll use what I have on hand. We'll see how it tastes. And then 2 cups of Cool Whip. So let's try it. So let's see. Add cream cheese, eggnog. There's cream cheese. Ooh. Add cream cheese, half cup of eggnog. Already put the rum and vanilla in there. So stir this up until it's smooth. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, Lord. I don't know if the cream cheese is broken up enough. But it says stir for like 2-3 minutes. I'll be all day stirring this stuff. I don't know. It smells good. I wish I had an electric beater. I don't have one. That might get all fluffy and stuff. Alright, so. And then it says, fold in Cool Whip. What does that mean, fold it in? Alright, let's try it. Let's get that out of the way. Extra eggnog there. Fold in, and it's 2 cups of Cool Whip. So let's make sure we measure it. So we gotta do it. That's a lot. Ooh, that's a lot of Cool Whip. All right, that might help with the consistency of it because it's kind of soupy now. There, 2 cups of fold it in. Well, you can tell I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not very good in the kitchen, but yeah. Oh, it's starting to look good though. All right, let's fold it in. All right. I guess you don't like beat it; you just kind of fold it. Okay, starting to look good. I'll show you guys. I'm just kind of folding it in. Okay, so now, it actually looks pretty good. Cover and chill for 1 hour in the fridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to chill it for an hour, then we'll come back and then we'll try it. And it actually smells good. And it can not be good, right? Eggnog and whipped cream. I mean, that's delightful. All right, I'm going to pause this. Okay, guys. It's time to try this thing. Okay, and I figured out the price of it. Actually looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. And it made a good amount. And the price of that's a big amount. That'll serve plenty of people. The price of that is about $3.65. So let's take one of these cookies. Let's dip it in there. Guess you just dip a cookie in there. Wow. Wow. That's super good. I think. Let me try again to make sure. It's thick too. Okay. That is super good. I will definitely make that again because it was easy. It's about $3.65, give or take, depending what cream cheese costs in your area. Wow, that's good. You know what would be good in there? Gingerbread. Any kind of cookie would be good in there. That was really good. So, I'll put the recipe down in the description. Of those of you who like eggnog, give it a try. It was super easy to make. And wow, that's good. That's super good. If you're an eggnog fan, that is good. All right. Let me know what you think if you guys do try it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.